Let's make a candy frog. You will need scissors, 4 feet of string, 2 for the eyes, 12 for the limbs, and 48 for the body. Add 3 beads on your string, add an eye, 2 center, and another eye. Take your string, go through the opposite side, like this, pull, till they meet in the middle, like that. Add on 5 beads, crisscross, add on 4 body color, 3 hand color. Take your string and we're going to go through the 4 body color beads, like that. And then just pull the end of the string till it matches up and you got his first arm. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to do 1 more row of 5 followed by 2 rows of 6 beads each. 1 last row of 5. You're going to add on 4 body, 3 for the feet, go in through the 4 bodies, and pull it like that. We'll do the same thing on the other side and then we'll tie it off. This is where it can get a little bit tricky. This is where you want to kind of make sure that your legs are pretty tight, that they're not super floppy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one end of the string, we're going to go in between here. We're going to pull the tail through that loop that you just created. So it'll look like that. And we do that 2 or 3 times. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So ideally, you're going to kind of adjust it where the knots hide either in the legs or in this last row. And you're going to take your scissors once it's secure and just snip it off. And congrats, you've made your very first candy frog.